All right, and welcome back. Now we have weekly profiles with new week opening gap and new day opening gap. I have been backtesting these concepts, new week opening gap and new day opening gap, and I've come to my own conclusions with these, and we're just gonna go over these, and I'm just gonna take us through new week opening gaps and new day opening gaps. These are the hidden expansions. These are the hidden swing points in the market. As you see, I'm gonna start out with just showing the daily chart first. Overall, what is order flow? We come back and we have created a swing low here, and we're retracing to an imbalance here. Sorry, this candle is the next week, but here we have probably Sunday to Monday. The only reason why I didn't put the divider here is because we were retracing that order block and then also mean threshold of that fair value gap. So I wanted you guys to be able to see that. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a actual like TGIF possible setup there. So as you see, this is the hourly chart that we end up having. Monday, just quick expansion, quick repricing. Wednesday, possibly putting the low of the week, and we end up having that. So as you see, this is just it with the new week opening gaps. And like, I'm simply just gonna have 3 videos. I have 3 videos of this, and we're just gonna see where we put in where these points are. They important or are they not? And then I'm just going to come to my own conclusions. Right here, we have a new week opening gap that exists there. We end up expanding lower off of that. Then we end up displacing below this. We don't end up trading into it. Boom, that gets respected. This new week opening gap to here, we end up patty caking here, displacing below this one, coming back up to this one, almost reaching this one, coming back up in this one, and then we end up reaccumulating within this one, and then we close the week right around that new week opening gap. And I'm using the last 20 new week opening gaps, and then the last 60 new day opening gaps, just so you know. And the indicator I'm using is Kryptonite. It's new week opening gap, new day opening gap by Kryptonite, and you can go into your settings and you can change those settings. Let me know if you guys want me to drop a video on that, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple enough. So here we also have those new day opening gaps, and as we can see, those new day opening gaps are just areas of reaccumulation within the market right there. Boom, boom, gets respected, boom. But notice how the more important parts are those new week opening gaps. The more impulsive price swings are those new week opening gaps. Boom, boom, new week opening gap, boom. And the thing that I don't like about this, and the reason why I really want to backtest it a lot more, is that it's kind of subjective, you know. But I'm just here to show you guys this. But basically, like, it's not like volume imbalances, which is what a new week opening gap is such a unique PD rate in the essence to where it can get traded through and then it can get used again. And the question is, like, when will it get used, when will it not? And I guess that will do with time of backtesting. But as we can see, like, it's not going to hold just to hold. Like, there has to be a whole narrative around it. So, like, why does this new week opening gap likely reaccumulate? We end up having sell side, fair value gap in, fair value gap out, balanced price range that gets respected, and then we reaccumulate within that. We end up putting a low of the week. We're in a deep discount of this range from the week, and we end up putting a Wednesday low of the week, and we end up seeking buy side. And here we have another profile. I'm showing this order block right here. We come back right into that. We deep retracement into a deep premium there, but they end up holding that. So this is going on from the previous week. So that was the previous week, and this is the current week. So all of this whole slideshow is just week after week after week. So as you see here, we have a constant mean threshold, gets respected perfectly, and we end up possibly seeking buy side here. And as you see, this is the profile that we end up putting in, and we'll see if you can figure out this profile before I give my interpretation of what I think that the profile is. Here are the daily dividers: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And here we have it again. Look, respect. Notice here how we don't really have anything there. We don't really have anything there. We come back, new week opening gap there, nothing there. New week opening gap, close the week at a new week opening gap. Here's that daily. Look, here's the new day opening gaps. Look, boom. Wednesday weekly reversal is what we end up having. Wednesday we have a weekly reversal there. All right, and here's the next week. As we see, pretty spotty PA here. It's pretty spotty PA. We have expansion on Monday, it looks like, and then just consolidation for the rest of the week. Gonna let you come to your own conclusions here. As we see, constant encroachment, boom. And I would say this is a more of a seek and destroy void profile. We have Monday quick repricing that we end up accumulating here. And as we see, the new day opening gaps or get referred to as well. And here we have another weekly profile here. We're coming back down to that order block right there, that daily order block. And they expanding higher, taking buy side there. So we have a possible IRL to ERL market maker model here, just to this buy side there. Here's the raw weekly profile. And sorry, I did this a little bit early, but I would say we had a Tuesday high of a week. And look at these new week opening gaps. Come back down to an order block there. And there we have a new day opening gap there. We had a reaccumulating within that. Boom, setting the buy side. Here we have, I think this is the last profile of this. We end up having expansion all the way to buy side. We end up seeking buy side, so we've created a swing point in the market, and then we have created a market maker model here on the daily time frame, liquidating buy side here on NQ. So you see, here we have Monday to Friday. Here we have the new week opening gaps. First Monday, look, kind of hidden right there. 2 Thursday, boom. And I think that we can both come to conclusions that these are some turning points within the market that happen within these new week opening gaps. And the profile for this week is consolidation reversal, Thursday reversal. That's what I would frame this as. And yeah, sorry, I didn't do the new day opening gaps for this one, but yeah, that's this video, and I will have another video out soon with the same thing. This is gonna be a 3-part series.